By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to connect apps together and make them work automatically, saving time and increasing productivity. What is Zapier? Zapier is an automation tool that helps different apps talk to each other. Example, when someone fills a Google form, their email is saved in Google Sheets. You get an email notification, a WhatsApp or Slack message is sent. All of this happens automatically. Key terms. You must know trigger. What starts the automation, for example, new form submission. Action. What happens next, for example, save data, send email. Zap. One complete automation workflow. What you can automate with Zapier. Social media posting, email marketing. Lead collection, file uploads. Notifications, AI content workflows. Perfect for content creators, freelancers, business owners, and beginners. Practical class exercise, beginner friendly. Automation example. New Google form entry gives save to Google Sheets. Steps. 1. Go to zapier.com and sign up free plan. 2. Click Create Zap. 3. Choose Google Forms as trigger. Event. New form response. 4. Connect your Google account. 5. Choose Google Sheets as action event. Create spreadsheet row. 6. Test gives turn on Zap. Boom. Automation complete. Bonus. AI plus Zapier power combo. Zapier can connect with AI tools like ChatGPT to auto-generate captions, reply to emails, summarize content, create blog drafts. This is how AI automation businesses are built. Free plan, what you get: 100 tasks month. Single-step apps, access to popular apps. Enough to start making money or saving time. Assignment very important. Create one Zap using any two apps you like. Examples. Gmail gives Google Sheets, Instagram gives email. Google Forms gives WhatsApp via supported tools. Screenshot your completed Zap.